Hello everyone, very happy to have you all here with another interesting recipe here. Yes, I here with an interesting recipe. Yes, Poondu Kulambu. It is an extremely healthy South Indian gravy made with a tamarind based broth and loaded with lots of garlic. If you have been suffering from ailments like indigestion and gastric disorders, then this is especially for you. There is no better medicine than garlic to cure such disorders. Let's start the thing, and the ingredients are in the description box. Please check it out. Heat a pan, dry roast all the ingredients. I have clearly mentioned in the description box to roast all the ingredients with the measurements. Make sure not to burn them. Let them cool for a minute and grind to a coarse powder. Then keep aside. Now heat a kadai with oil. Add the mustard, and once it's flooded, add all the other ingredients under to temper. As soon as the jeera starts changing color, add the curry leaves. Then add the garlic and saute well. Then now add shallots. Again saute well until the shallot changes to golden brown. Now at this time I'm taking out the curry leaves because if I kept as it is, then nobody will eat. So I'm going to make this as powder. Now add the salt. I'm here using rock salt. So the required amount of salt I'm adding here. Again saute well till it changes the color to brown. So meantime I'm just making the powder. So for my cooking, I'm just following the procedure of primitive cooking. So using this kind of a stone to make this powder. If you can do it, or else you can go for mixie to grind this powder. Now it's almost done. So you can see it is in the powder format. Now keeping this aside, so in the same way I'm grinding this coconut. So now adding 2 tomato. Saute well. Now I'm going to add black nightshade berries. It is called manatakali in Tamil. And now goes into dried turkey berry. It is called Sundaka Vathhal in Tamil. Then saute well. And now the time for masalas. Adding 1 spoon of chili powder. According to your taste you can add. And then it comes to coriander powder, 1.5 spoon. And then a half spoon of turmeric powder. Then give a quick stir. After the raw smell goes away from the masalas, add a small amount of water. Keeping the flame to low, now I'm going to take this tamarind, make this as tamarind juice. After taking the puree from the tamarind, adding here. Then again I'm going to give a stir. Now almost it's done. At this time, I'm going to add this powder. It is a special and secret ingredients for this recipe. And now I'm adding coconut puree. Then give a quick stir. And now keeping the flame to a low until the oil gets separated. And if you want, you can add a small amount of jaggery and mix well to get dissolved in Kulamboo. Garnish with coriander leaves. That's it. So almost it's get over. I hope you all get enjoyed with this recipe. Please do try this recipe in your home and do let me know the feedback. Thank you so much for watching and spending your valuable time with us. See you soon with another interesting and informative video.